Welcome. This is Chloe here at Cousin DIY. Today we are going to make a children's project which we are calling Crafty corn. Similar to the decorative corns that you see that people hang on their doors and use as decoration this time of year. Let's get started. It's fun and easy to make. We start with 4 pipe cleaners. The longer the better. I was not able to find anything quickly that was longer than, this is about 11.5 inches, but the longer the better. You join them together, find the middle, then you're going to twist the middle together like that. Give it a couple twists. And then you're going to separate it like spokes. Kind of like spokes on a wheel. And start adding pony beads. We're using regular size pony beads in 5 different colors. We're using orange, yellow, black, white, and red. Whoops, and red. If you have brown, you can use brown too. This mix, these are the colors I selected from the mix we're using. So I like to go around and start with the first bead on every row of corn so that we don't have the same color bead together. So I'll put my first 5 beads around. And then, let's see, I think I'll use a red here. A black and a yellow, just so we don't have things. Trying to mix up the colors. I don't have any order, I just try to mix them up on each row. So, we'll just start adding, we're going to do this to every row of corn, and we're going to leave, 2 inches at the end so we can twist them off like this and join them back together. So I'll just go ahead and add these on. At this point, I found that it's kind of helpful. You want to leave a tiny bit of space on the base of each row. Then I take 2 at a time, bend them up. Work my way around. Okay, I'm going to tie a half knot there. Line those up. Not a half knot, but a half twist. Actually, more like a whole twist. So on one short there, put that back on. And then kind of bring them all up towards the middle. So they're even, the rows are somewhat evenly spaced. And then twist the top again, play with the rows, and just fine tune it. Try to settle the rows in closer to each other. Now we have 2 ears of crafty corn. If you make your own crafty corn at home, by yourself or with your children, we'd love for you to share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thank you for joining us today. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.